Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I am going to teach you on how to pay Dubai traffic fines in installment. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to type dubaipolice.gov.ae on the address bar, and from this screen, we're going to click on Traffic Services. From here, we're going to scroll down until we see this icon, Traffic Fines Installment, and then we click on Inquire. From here, we are given two options, either direct debit installment or credit card installment. Choose whatever it is that you prefer. Lastly, we are going to fill up a 5-step request for installment while providing all the details needed for us to complete this transaction. And that's it. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorial videos. See you in the next video. Peace!